Lucky, I just want to say thank you for all the years that you have been by my side and for showing me what it means to lift my head and to smile again. Mamimiss ko yung lagi mong sinasabi na Kat, patimplan naman ng kape at saka ng Milo. Uupo ka lang dun sa may lababo, iinumin mo, yun nga lang, iiwan mo yung tasa, hindi mo hinugasan. Tsaka yung kaya mo yan, Kat, ikaw pa. So, thank you for your friendship, of course. And I wish you a blissful and a joyful marriage. I love you. I will miss you. Mwah.
Hi Katrina, like what you said, this is not a goodbye. Sana mag-iingat ka lagi doon. Nakikita mo naman, nandito ako ngayon sa bahay kung saan tayo nakita at naging magkaibigan. The most famous Guillamard Apartments. Yan, lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami para sa iyo. And ingat ka lagi. See you soon. Love you. Mwah.
Hi, Tita Ann. Thank you for taking care of us when we were there. And always be happy. Best wishes. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kumaring Ann. Good afternoon. Gabi na pala. Anyway, papasalamat kami sa lahat ng mga good memories na shinare mo sa amin. Actually, we're on our way to see you. Andyan pa kasi Hazel sa likod ko. Andun pa si Kat tsaka si Marco sa likod. Anyway, thank you sa lahat ng mga times that you've shared with us, especially the happy moments here in Singapore. We wish you all the best in your new life in the Middle East with Mark. Best wishes on your wedding, and we hope to see you soon again here in Singapore. We love you. From your Boyoyong family, Oni.
Ingat ka doon. Huwag patanga-tanga. Tsaka, hindi ko talaga alam sasabihin. Huwag mong aawayin si Mark. Huwag mong susugitan. Basta mag-ingat ka doon. Lagi lang mag-message sa amin para ang communication tuloy. Ingat. Love ka namin.
Mamiss kita. Wala na makalat. Kagaya ko. Wala na na makulit. Na sinisira ang laptop ko. Na binabago lahat ng iPhone. Na lahat na ng kakulitan. Pero mamimiss ko. Tapos yung makukulit na tao sa likod ko. Parang mamiss kita. At sana maging happy ka. Kayo ni Mark. Best wishes. Mabait kayong dalawa. Seryoso ako. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ann. Thank you sa friendship. Good luck nga pala sa tatahakin ng buhay. Basta ingat kayo ni Tukayo doon, ha. Peace.
Hello, Tita Ann. Thank you po sa pag-aasikaso nyo sa amin. Nung nandyan kami, lalo na po nung nagkasakit ako. Sana po maging masaya ka lagi. I miss you po. Ingat lagi. Bye.
How to smoke and talk at the same time. Lomboy asked me to go down. It was busy. Yes, only VIP people can ask me to do so. And Anne, you are VIP to me. Yes, it was nice knowing you. It was short period of time being with you. But it's sad that you're leaving Singapore and leaving us. But of course, we'll see each other again. I don't know if I make sense, but I also feel sad. And I don't want to look at my face when I talk because I'm so ugly. I'm not good at this. I'd rather talk to you later. But I wish you luck. Be a good wife. He should be a good husband. Compromise is just the key. And of course, trust. Everything will be okay. All right? Goodbye, farewell. See you.
Hi! Assalamualaikum! O, mag-practice ka na ha. Dapat master mo na yan next year pagdating mo dito. Well, I know it will be a great adjustment for you. But in God's grace, I know you will, everything will be fine. Ikaw pa, te. Carry lang yan, te. I love you. You take care and have a safe trip back to Philippines. I love you. See you soon. Mwah. Bye-bye.